I think what's happening with tax planning, or really the fear-based marketing commentary around tax planning, is this idea of somebody who owns a service and a lot of their content is trying to convince you that you've fallen down and you're stuck down in a well. And they happen to be at the top of the well with a rope, and they're like, I'm the only one who can save you.
Let's talk a little bit more about some of these maybe overblown tax considerations. I really like in the book how you frame IRMA, for example, as a nuisance tax, right? This is a small percent of a tax on your wealth when you look at the numbers, when you break it down.
The widow will have a less tax efficient situation. You got to look at the numbers. And there are other tools in the toolbox. Qualified charitable distributions can attack the problem. Something called asset location, where we hold all our taxable bonds in our 401k or IRA. That can help attack the problem. Your own living expenses, right? One thing to keep in mind, for all the worry about RMDs,